Hello everybody, Tina here. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can use the client portal. So first you want to head over to Sites and then Client Portal at the top. Then you want to select Dashboard. Here you can manage all your activities. This is the login URL, which you've created under Settings. Just to remind you real quick, you click Settings and you go Domain Setup, scroll down, and that is where you've created your login URL. And you would have set a CNAME to preview.clientclub.net. Back to the dashboard. Here we have quick actions, which is really cool. So here you can generate magic links. You can generate a magic link for one of your contacts, which are stored under your contacts, and send an email. Now you see in the top right here, it has sent the email to the user. You can also copy this link and send it to them directly via Messenger chat or LinkedIn, wherever you're communicating with them. The second option is to create a custom menu, and we've got 3 items to add to this menu: courses, affiliates, and communities. Let's select courses for now and hit generate. And here we are. Here we have a quick link, a magic link again, which you can share with your customer who just purchased a course. So why would you want to do that? So maybe you have people who are enrolled into your courses, but they're not affiliates, right? Or maybe you have affiliates that didn't purchase your course. So that's why you want to separate those links. Here you can also invite your contacts directly to the client portal. These are also your contacts stored under contacts. Send invite, and on top right you see the link has been sent. You can also send a login email, again, to your contacts. Select your contact and hit send email. And then on the top right you can see the magic link has been sent via email. Now under client portal and settings, you will see app permissions. This is where you can enable or disable communities, courses, and affiliates to show up in your client portal. So let me show you how the client portal looks like. So being logged into the client portal as a user, this is my profile page. And here in the top right corner, you can see the communities, courses, and affiliates being enabled because we just check marked those boxes. However, if you're not selling any courses or you don't have an affiliate program, you can just uncheck those, hit save settings, and then they would disappear up here in the top right corner. Then down here, you can select either home, communities, courses, or affiliates. See down here, this is grayed out because I haven't selected it. So now we could choose home, communities, or courses for it to be our landing page. Then back to our client portal. If you go top right, you hit view or edit profile. You will land on this page where you can modify your profile. You can add a profile picture. You can add the profile cover. Think of it like a Facebook profile. You can add your name, your title. You can add a brief bio, what it is that you do so people can check you out. You can add the location where you're at and select your preferred time zone as well. Then you see in the top left under account, you can change your password and you can also add your social media handles. Cruising back to the main client portal here, you can see your main profile. Here you can see your social media handles. If you had one, your profile picture will show up here and the description would show up here. You will see the groups you've joined, the courses completed, and the total affiliate earnings you have earned in case you are an affiliate. On the right-hand side here, you can join a group, you can take a course, and you can see more data on your affiliate earnings. On the top right-hand corner, there's this little home icon. If you click on that, you will land on this page. And the client portal is also very mobile friendly. So this is how it looks on the mobile. You can see your profile page here. At the top, there's a slider. You can scroll between affiliates, courses, and communities. You also have quick links down here right below that, and then the insights, how many groups you've joined, how many courses you've got completed, and the total affiliate earnings right here. And the same as the desktop version at the top right hand, you have your 3 options: communities, courses, and affiliates. And if you click on the home button, you would land on this page. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you get started using your client portal. See you in the next video.